What's up YouTube? It's Daniel McGee, aka Dan the Bugman, back with another bug video. In this short video, I've got a DIY do-it-yourself pest control tutorial. Yes, I'm going to be handing out all the family secrets, so if you guys haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to post videos about everything I know about pest control, which is a lot. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rid of ants in 5 easy steps. This is the exact method our company uses to get rid of ants, and it works 99% of the time. It's very simple. Just follow my steps and you'll be ready to go and get your ants out of your house. Step 1, and this may be the hardest step, make sure you have the correct ant species you're targeting for. This technique I'm about to show you is going to work for almost all ants, but there are some exceptions. Unfortunately, this system will not work for large carpenter ant species and also fire ant species. Carpenter ants look like this and fire ants look like this. But that's about it. Besides that, this will work for all other ant species. All of these ant species will happily feed on this sugar-based bait. Step 2 is go on the internet and purchase a professional grade gel ant bait. Yes, they do sell these on the internet. I'm going to recommend either Advion Ant Gel or Max Force Ant Gel. Simply purchase the smaller container, or you can purchase the larger containers if you want. The smaller container should be enough for one ant infestation. Now, step 3 is also very important. This is where you apply the pesticide. Specifically, where you apply this is very important. You want to try to find active ant trails for the best result. If you're seeing ants inside your house, look for active trails along the windowsills and around your kitchen. This is usually where you will find them. If you can't find any ants inside, there are definitely some outside. Go around your house and look around the perimeter foundation for any ant trails. This is what you want to be looking for. Active ant trails look like a row of hundreds of ants traveling up and down or across a section. If you can't find any ant trails, just keep looking or try again tomorrow. If not, you can still apply them without having the ant trails. Once you have found the ant trails, simply place small thin lines of the bait along the trail. Do not clump big amounts together. Keep them small and spread out. This will allow for the maximum surface area for ants to feed on. Step 4 is simply to wait and clean around your house. In the meantime, make sure your home is crumb-free. This means cleaning the kitchen cabinets to eliminate any food sources. Those ants are not allowed to eat your crumbs. Those are your crumbs. You deserve them. Don't freak out whenever you see hundreds of ants eating on the bait. This is what's supposed to happen. It is a bait. It is not a repellent chemical. This bait they will feed on and take it back to the colony and other ants. They transfer the bait through a process called trophallaxis. Once they transfer this bait throughout the colony will soon die off. You may need to wait 2 or 3 days for the bait to take effect. Now, step 5 is simply reapply the bait if the ants are still there. Just because they ate all of the bait doesn't mean you're out of the woods yet. You do not need to apply all of the bait you have purchased, just enough for the ants to feed on. When you are applying this application, only use about 5 to 10 grams at one time. This is plenty for the ants to feed on. There's no need to use the whole tube. These tubes are usually about 20 grams. There is no need to use the whole amount. Depending on the size of the ant colony and the surrounding environment, you may need to apply this 2 to 3 times. However, do not over apply this ant gel. If you apply too much, the ants will not be able to feed on it, and if you apply too much, there's also a chance that rain will wash it away before the ants have time to feed on it, and then you won't have any left. If you guys have ever had any ant problems before, just like this video and I guarantee that it will go away. This method will kill the current colony that is infesting your home, but I will not guarantee it will stop future colonies. You may need to apply this in a few months if another colony happens to come back. There are always new ant colonies moving around and trying to find new places to eat. And just a bonus tip, look around your house and try to remove any debris that may cause ant harborage. Ant harborage are areas that ants can build nests. Things like piles of sticks, too much mulch. Keep your landscape nice and tidy. Do not overdo mulching or have piles of leaves or sticks close to your house. This will provide the perfect nest habitat. Remember, pest control is not just about chemicals. There are other things to do to eliminate pest infestation, such as removing food sources and removing shelter areas. If these insects or pests do not have food and do not have shelter, they cannot survive. So if you can eliminate these from your home, then you will not have any pests. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please subscribe and let me know if you guys have any questions.